There's the moon right there. Wish the camera gave it justice on how pretty the moon is. Alright, enjoy the nice and quiet. There's little moths flying around. You can't see them, but they're little bitty moths flying. Grass is a little bit wet. Listen to those crickets, huh? Crickets in the cars. I just love sitting out here, just relaxing. Enjoying the quietness and the weather. Yeah, the moon's really coming around. That's our McDonald's over there. Yep, no activity. No bunnies, no cats, no nothing. I'm gonna try to do this all year round. It's one of my favorite things to do, so I might as well do what I like, right? I know some people are enjoying this. It's not hitting too many people, but maybe it'll grow eventually. People can share my quiet time and my relaxed time outside, sitting where me and my Sadie sat. Yeah, she always sat right there, or in front of me. But she liked her space. I have lots of videos of us sitting out here just relaxing, looking at the weather and enjoying our time. You know, try not to be talking about her all the time on my videos, but yeah, she was in my life 13 and a half years. Long time. More than almost half is what I lived on this property. Okay, just enjoy the quiet. Sorry, I won't talk as much. Now there's a star up there that's just twinkling away. I wish you could see it. I just pan a little bit, just to, where it's not so boring. So you're not looking at the same thing over and over. I could just sit out here all night. There's no bugs even up there by the light. There's no bugs. That's strange, huh? Yeah, we only have the one light before McDonald's. Alright, I'm going to cut this off. Everybody have a great night. Thank you for watching.